Welcome back, reptile fam. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are breeding lots of reptiles, keeping lots of reptiles and enjoying them. Like I always say, this is my heart. I don't want people to think of reptiles as nasty, creepy crawlies, but as wonderful pets. So if you guys are new here, or if you guys are seasoned veterans and you guys watch my channel all the time and haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and it'll keep you in the loop of all my upcoming videos. I do release videos every Tuesday and Saturday, sometimes in between if I get like an unboxing or something different. So it really helps me out, gets that YouTube algorithm going, and gets my message out there, and I do appreciate it, guys. If you guys get anything from these videos, it's just a way of saying thank you to me and it really helps me out. So today I've been talking with some of my friends that breed reptiles, and we just kind of were talking about stuff. Why did you start? Why did you do this? You know, what was your motive? And I'm gonna talk about some good motives and some bad motives of why people want to breed reptiles. All right, guys, you guys are looking for the secret answer to success in breeding ball pythons, and how I went from nothing to actually making a decent amount of money. Here's the answer. So welcome back. So my first question is, what is your purpose? Why do you want to breed ball pythons? I've said this before in other videos. Are you breeding them because you like them, or are you breeding them because you're thinking it's a way out of your job? You think you have a dead-end job and you don't want to work there anymore. I'll be honest, guys, this is probably not the field that you want to do, because it takes time and you have to work yourself up. I started breeding ball pythons and breeding other reptiles out of love. I wasn't trying to start a business. I wasn't trying to quit my job. I was doing it because it's a hobby, and it's starting to make money for me now. And it just kind of turned that way, but it wasn't originally my goal. I think a lot of times people have this unhealthy look that ball pythons are here, they make money, and they're going to strike it rich like Brian Barczyk, or like, you know, Aussie Boyds and all them, make a really good living, which I think you can make a living off of breeding reptiles. It's a lot of work, and people don't realize all the ins and outs and the facets of breeding reptiles, and it's not easy. Honestly, I probably work just as hard here, if not harder, than my job at work. I own the business, so I'm the head boss here. I am a manager at my store, so I am a boss here, but here, when the rubber meets the road, it's all on me. So all my bills, all my stuff that I gotta pay, it comes out of my pocket. And there's a lot more responsibility than there is at my other job, because even though I am the boss, I still have a company that backs me, and I don't have to worry about my paycheck. I don't have to worry about all these things, because it's all coming natural. So what I'm trying to say is that if your motivation is just to quit the job you're doing, you probably need to look elsewhere. If you want to breed ball pythons and help add some money to your retirement, have some extra money. That's my goal, honestly, at this point in time, is that I want to build my kind of reptarium. I'm not going to do what Brian does, but I want a place where I can have a reptarium and have all my animals around and actually show off to people they want to come and look. I'm not looking to make money off or nothing. I'm just here to enjoy them, and also to share my message about how wonderful pets they are. You guys know that I have a hankering for large lizards. I love them. I can't have enough of them, and it's my goal to lease a building and have a place for those. But my goal is not to quit my job. My goal is not to be a millionaire. My goal is not to make, you know, thousands and thousands of dollars. But my goal is to fund that with this, because I said before that I make good money. I do make really good money for Yakima, where I live. I live above the median income. But that being said, I have 4 kids, I have a wife, I have a car payment, house payment, truck payment, light bills, phone bills, all these things that come out of there. And we are used to a certain level of living style that's probably expensive than some people, and it's hard to cut that back. So I cannot take all this money and vicariously blow it on reptiles. So I had to build up reptiles, and that's what I use my ball pythons for, because that was my bigger money maker, and I started using it to add to my collection. That's what I did. Am I a millionaire now from it? No. Am I making more money? Every year I'm getting more money. This year actually was a setback because of a few things. It's mostly because I quit breeding rats, but my reptiles actually made more this year. So there is money breeding reptiles, but I don't think it's what people think, that they're going to make millions of dollars off of this. I think you can actually make a living. You can actually do this full time. But honestly, the way I want to do it is I like my job and I like doing both. I like having the extra money to put into my reptile business and grow it and build my reptarium, build my, get more animals. That's what I want to do. Someday when I make lots of money from it, I might quit my job, but that's not my goal. My goal is to enjoy this, enjoy what I do, have a happy life, and enjoy the extra income. That's what I feel like. There was a point where I thought I was going to do this full time because I thought I could actually make this work really good. I can, but it's easier for me to stay where I'm at this point in time and also do this on the side. But another thing is, I'm telling you guys that if you guys are planning on doing this full time, have some diversity in your business. I don't think, unless you're really got some really high-end snakes, that you're going to just do ball pythons and actually make it. I think you should actually diversify. Maybe grow some Leachianus, maybe grow some, some crested. Do something else on the side. Also, maybe breed rats. A lot of people do that for a side business, make some more extra money. Start a YouTube channel. It takes a long time to actually make some money from YouTube. I'm actually going to get my first check from YouTube. It wasn't that bad. I mean, it wasn't lots of money, but it's actually more than I thought it'd be. So I'm excited about that, but I've been working for over about a year to get money on YouTube. And, it's all going towards my reptile fund. I'm not going to go throw it on the bed, roll around in it, get all excited. It's actually just going towards my dream. And honestly, guys, I'm happy that you guys get to see me. I hope it motivates you guys to follow your dreams, because I'm getting closer and closer to what I want. And my goal is, honestly, the reason why I do these videos is to get you guys to where you want to be. I mean, if you guys want to be a ball python breeder, you want to be a lizard breeder, you want to breed, geckos, you want to breed tortoises, whatever you want to breed, I want to help you guys out. But I also, guys, want to let you guys know the real thing is that I've been talking about with my friends, is that there is money in there. I mean, be honest. I mean, don't think that there's so much money that you're gonna quit your day job right away. It's something that I believe you can, but you have to work towards it. I started off breeding pied, and I started adding orange dream to my pied. Now I'm trying to go ultra male pied. I mean, it constantly gets better and better over time. It does, but you have to work towards it. It don't happen overnight, guys. It just don't poof, next thing you know, I'm a millionaire. All right, guys, you guys are looking for the secret answer to success in breeding ball pythons, and how I went from nothing to actually making a decent amount of money. Here's the answer. The answer is that I work twice as hard. I do twice as much. I work 2 jobs. I actually put so much time into this. I work hard for this, guys. I do videos. I breed rats. I have 1 day a week to actually enjoy freedom. The rest of the week is either tied to my job, my reptiles, or my videos. But honestly, guys, I enjoy all these. So that's the secret of how I'm successful, is because I enjoy this. I'm happy doing this. I love this, and I wouldn't be doing anything else. I am a workaholic, I'm not gonna lie, but I do and love this, and it's part of my life. It's who I am. I love to work. So that's the answer of why I'm successful at what I do. There is people that can do it. They're really good marketers and they go a lot faster. Honestly, I think you can, but the average Joe like me and you are gonna grow, but it's not gonna be overnight. So I'm just letting you know, guys, if there's nothing wrong, this is a great business. If you want to have a better retirement, if you want to have extra money, if you want to have a hobby that pays for itself, you want to, like I do, want to invest in more reptiles or some kind of entertainment. It's a great way. It's a great way to make extra money. It's a great way to retire. I'll have my retirement. I'll have my Social Security. I'll have this on top of it, and also my YouTube videos, hopefully. So it's just good to have more than one flow of income. But I could be honest with you guys right now. I've been doing just breeding ball pythons for 6 years, and I've been keeping reptiles for even longer. And even though I make a decent income coming from it, it's not something that I can retire. At this point in time, I can't quit my job. I bet you if I did a few things extra, I could actually make what I'm making at my job. But Again, I got no insurance, no stability. I know every week that I'm gonna get a check here. If I have a drought or something like COVID happens, what's gonna happen? You know, at least where I work now, I know for a fact that it's gonna be a stable job. So I'm just kind of being honest with you guys, being real and not trying to discourage you. Honestly, guys, don't be discouraged. I'm just telling you the truth that it don't happen overnight. It's something that you have to grow towards and work towards. It's not something that's gonna just happen, guys. Honestly, it's something that you have to work for. It's actually just as hard, if not harder, than your daily grind. Anyways, guys, if you guys wouldn't mind, check out some of these other videos right here. Also hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time, guys. I love you guys. You guys are my family. You guys are my friends, and I honestly love doing videos for you guys. And I will see you guys later. Peace. I am out of here, guys. Bye.